Why do over 50% of Roblox players get stuck with silent voice chat? Don't worry, let's break the silence together. Here's how to troubleshoot in 60 seconds. Step 1. Check your age. Voice chat only works if you're 13 or older, and your age is verified on Roblox with an ID or phone number. Next, go into Settings, tap Privacy, and make sure voice chat is switched on. If you don't see the option, your account might not be verified yet. Double-check that. Trying to use voice chat in-game? Make sure you're in a game that supports it, like Mic Up. Then, look for that microphone icon over your character's head. If it's crossed out, click to unmute. Now for device tricks. On your phone or PC, head to App Permissions and make sure Roblox can use your microphone. On PC, check your sound settings and set your mic as the default input. Still nothing? Test your mic with another app, like Discord, to rule out hardware issues. Last shot, restart Roblox and your device. Still stuck? Reinstall Roblox from the official website. And remember, when in doubt, call in Roblox support.